Hello quizzers and welcome back to Trivia Quiz. In today's video, we're diving into a brand new tier list challenge, ranking the world's most popular junk foods from heavenly to disgusting. With 50 tasty treats on the list, I'm sure you'll have some tough choices to make. So don't forget to subscribe for more exciting quizzes, and let's get started. First up is French fries. Are they a crispy delight or just overrated? Next, we have Nutella. Heavenly spread or too sweet for you? What about Cheetos? Is it cheesy perfection or a messy fail? Let's rank Subway sandwich. Does it make the cut for junk food greatness? Time for chicken nuggets. Are they an all-time favorite or just okay? Now it's hot wings. Spicy goodness or too much heat to handle? Bonus round. Would you rather never eat your favorite junk food again or like the video? Easiest choice to make. How do you feel about gummy bears? Are they your go-to candy or just meh? Let's talk about chocolate chip cookies. Classic treat or nothing special? Rank Twix. Is it the perfect mix of caramel and chocolate or not your thing? Next up is Doritos. Are they a crunchy delight or too overpowering? Now it's time for a cool treat, Blizzard ice cream. Love it or leave it? What about Pringles? Are they stacking up to your expectations? Let's move on to marshmallows. Soft and sweet or too plain? Now for some crunch. KFC. Finger licking good or a flop? How about Rice Krispies treats? A childhood favorite or just sticky trouble? Let's rank cheesecake. Creamy perfection or too rich for your taste? Up next, Milky Way. Is this candy bar your sweet escape or forgettable? How do you feel about M&M's? The ultimate candy or just boring? Now it's Burger King. Does the Whopper reign supreme or fall flat? Rank churros. Are they cinnamon heaven or not your favorite? Next is Dunkin' Donuts. Sweet perfection or too sugary? How about Reese's Peanut Butter Cups? The best combo of chocolate and peanut butter, or not your vibe? Let's talk tacos. Are they a junk food winner or overrated? Now for Popeye's chicken sandwich. Does it live up to the hype or not worth it? Rank Sour Patch Kids. Sour than sweet or just too much? Next is pancakes. A breakfast treat or too heavy for your liking? Time for mashed potatoes. Comfort food or something you skip? How about Hershey's chocolate? A classic or too basic? Let's rank caramel ice cream. Smooth and sweet or not for you? Next, we have corn dog. Carnival favorite or not your taste? What do you think about Lay's? Classic chips or nothing special? Rank milkshake. Creamy goodness or too indulgent? Next is cotton candy. A sugary cloud or way too sweet? How do you feel about Kit Kat? Break-worthy or break it off? What about nachos? Cheesy heaven or just a mess? Let's rank hot dog. A staple favorite or a skip for you? Now it's Oreo. Dunk-worthy or not your thing? How about cheese puffs? Fun snack or just messy? Rank mint chocolate chip ice cream. Refreshing or polarizing? Next is curly fries. Better than regular fries or not worth it? What about beef jerky? Savory perfection or too chewy? Rank jelly beans. Colorful fun or not exciting? Next is pudding. Smooth and creamy or just boring? How do you feel about onion rings? Crispy goodness or too greasy? Now for chicken waffles, sweet and savory perfection or a strange combo? What about Domino's pizza, the ultimate comfort food or not for you? Let's rank glazed donuts, sweet perfection or too plain? Next up is Big Mac, the king of burgers or just okay? How do you feel about burritos, a flavorful wrap or too heavy? Finally, let's talk popcorn, a movie snack must-have or something to skip? And now it's time to choose your next challenge. Don't forget to share your rankings in the comments below and subscribe to the channel for more fun and tasty challenges. See you in the next video.